Do you think you need thousands of dollars to start investing in the United States? Maybe you've seen people online talking about investing thousands, buying expensive stocks, building massive portfolios, and making impressive returns. And perhaps you've thought to yourself, I only have $100. That's not enough. I'll start when I have more money. But what if I told you that many successful investors started with much less than you think? What if your first $100 could become the most important money you ever invest? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sam, and I'm a financial advisor dedicated to helping people understand investing, personal finance, wealth building, and smart money management. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe because this channel is all about practical financial education designed to help beginners make informed decisions with their money. In today's video, we're going to discuss something that thousands of people search for every month. How do you invest $100 in the USA? Can you make money with only $100? What is the smartest way for a beginner to start investing? And most importantly, how do you avoid the mistakes that cause many beginners to lose confidence before they even get started? Before we continue, I want to make one thing clear. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not personalized financial advice. Every investor has different goals, different risk tolerances, and different financial situations. Always do your own research and consider speaking with a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions. Now, with that out of the way, let's talk about something that most people completely misunderstand. Investing isn't about becoming rich next week. Investing isn't about finding the next miracle stock. Investing isn't about gambling. Investing is about building a system that helps your money work for you over time. And that's exactly what we're going to learn today. Let's start with one of the biggest myths in personal finance. The myth is this: you need a lot of money to start investing. This belief stops millions of people from ever getting started. People think, I only have $100. I only have $50. I only have $200. What's the point? But here's the reality. The amount you start with is not nearly as important as the habit you build. If someone invests $100 today and continues learning, saving, and investing consistently, they are far ahead of someone who waits 5 years because they think they need more money. Time is one of the most powerful forces in investing. Not luck, not secret strategies, not market predictions. Time. The earlier you start, the more opportunity your money has to grow. That's why starting with $100 can be more valuable than waiting years to invest $1,000. Imagine two friends. Let's call them Alex and Michael. Alex starts investing today with only $100. Every month, Alex continues investing a small amount and learning more about personal finance. Michael decides to wait. He says he'll start investing when he has more money. 1 year passes, then another, then another. 5 years later, Michael finally starts. Who is ahead? In most situations, Alex. Not because Alex had more money, but because Alex started earlier. Alex built knowledge. Alex built discipline. Alex developed confidence. And perhaps most importantly, Alex developed the habit of investing. That's what this video is really about. Not just investing $100, building a lifelong habit that can improve your financial future. Now let's discuss something important. Most people don't struggle because they lack opportunities. Many struggle because they never develop financial habits. Think about how many times people say, I'll start next month, I'll save next year, I'll invest when I earn more. Unfortunately, that future moment often never arrives, because when income increases, expenses often increase too. A larger paycheck doesn't automatically create wealth. Good financial habits create wealth. The habit of saving, the habit of investing, the habit of learning, the habit of staying disciplined during difficult market conditions. These habits matter much more than the size of your first investment. Before we talk about exactly how I would invest $100, we need to discuss risk. Every investment carries risk. This is one of the most important lessons every beginner should understand. No investment can guarantee profits. Markets rise, markets fall. Prices move up and down every day. That is completely normal. If someone tells you an investment is guaranteed to make money, be extremely careful. Risk and reward are connected. Generally speaking, investments that offer higher potential returns also involve higher levels of risk. That's why smart investors focus on diversification. Diversification simply means not putting all your money into one investment. Instead of relying on one company, one stock, or one opportunity, you spread risk across multiple investments. This helps reduce the impact if one investment performs poorly. And for beginners, diversification is often one of the most important concepts to understand. Let's talk about mindset, because your mindset will often determine your success more than your investment choices. Many beginners look at investing the wrong way. They ask, how much money can I make this week? Professional investors often ask a different question. How can I build wealth over the next 10, 20, or 30 years? Notice the difference. One focuses on quick results. The other focuses on long-term growth. The long-term mindset tends to create better decisions, because when you stop chasing quick profits, you start focusing on sustainable wealth building. And that's where real financial progress begins.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to The Income Engineer. Press the bell icon so you never miss our latest financial updates, investment strategies, and wealth building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.